In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Selling ebooks can be a fantastic way to share your knowledge, stories, or creativity with a wider audience, while also generating some income. Gumroad is a great platform that makes it pretty straightforward to do this, so let's dive right in. First things first, if you don't have a Gumroad account yet, go ahead and create one. It's an easy process and only takes a few minutes. Once you're all set, log in to your account. If you already have an account, just click the login button and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your dashboard. Here you'll see a button labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that option. This is where a lot of the exciting stuff happens. Now, when you're in the Products section, look for the New Product button. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a new page. This is where we'll be starting the process of listing your ebook for sale. You'll have different options for the type of product you're selling. Since we're focusing on ebooks, you should select the option that specifically corresponds to selling an ebook. Now the fun part starts because you're going to give your ebook a name. This name should be catchy and descriptive enough to attract potential buyers, but also concise. Think about what makes your ebook unique, and use that to inspire your ebook title. After you've done that, the next step is to select the currency you want to use for the sale. This is often set to USD by default, but you can easily change it to whatever currency is most appropriate for your target audience. The currencies are listed in drop-down menus, so you should find the one you need without too much trouble. Now, we can get to the pricing of your ebook. Set a price that you think reflects the value of the content you're offering. It's a good idea to do a little market research to see what similar ebooks are selling for, so you can price yours competitively. Once you've decided on a price, go ahead and input that into the necessary field. Next, click on the Next button to move on to the customization options. This is where you'll have the opportunity to describe your ebook. Be sure to write a compelling description that highlights what your ebook is about, what readers will gain from it, and any other key details that would entice someone to purchase. Think of it as your chance to pitch your ebook to your audience. Don't forget to include any relevant points that showcase your expertise or the uniqueness of your work. This is your chance to really sell your product, so be clear, concise, and compelling. After you've crafted a captivating description, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you will see an option to save and continue. Click that button to move to the next step in your product listing process. At this point, you'll reach the final step of setting up your ebook on Gumroad. You can start looking at the preview of your product page and make any necessary adjustments to how everything is presented. Take a moment to check that everything looks good. Your title, price, and description should all be just the way you want them. Once you're satisfied with your ebook listing, make sure to hit the Publish button. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Your ebook is officially on sale, and you're ready to start sharing it with the world. And that's it! You now know how to sell ebooks on Gumroad. Remember, marketing your ebook is just as important as creating it, so think about how you'll share it with your audience. I hope you found this information helpful, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy selling!